What is going on? It's been a little while since I made my last video. Today I had my best trading day yet to date, and I also wanted to go over a big mistake I made um last week. So basically last week I got stopped out on a trade and I left my partials on the chart, so I left my limit orders on the chart. So I got stopped out, and then my limit orders got hit, and when I wasn't on charts, when I wasn't paying attention, and price reversed, and I lost $1,900, lost all of the progress I had on the account. Later that week, I proceeded to um, have like a $800 week, and so if that never happened, I would have been funded there. And then today, I had a $1,000 day, and I'm back to where I was before I made the mistake. So I recovered really fast, back up to 52,000 balance, 1,000 away. So if that never happened, if I never made that mistake, I would have passed a funded account last week, and then I would have been up on that account. So yeah, it's just super frustrating because I know I could have had a payout almost even, and it's just annoying when a mistake like that ruins um an opportunity for that to happen. So, but today, let's go over the trades. First trade was this short right here, and what this was market opened right here. Sorry, right here, and I wanted to see London high and Asia high get taken out. So I was looking for longs initially. I was interested in this. I was interested in these fair value gaps inversing here, but they never did, and price kept rejecting. So at this point, I didn't think we were going to go there yet. And then we got this displacement candle right here, closed below this low right here. Right here. So candle through there. So this is where I was interested in shorts because we had displacement. We were rejecting higher time frame price delivery frequently. Displacement here, change state delivery. I waited for a retrace back into this, took it here, and price stayed within consequent encroachment of that fair value gap right here, which is what I wanted to see. And my take profit was these lows way over here. And so what happened is I moved my stop to break even. My partial got hit here, but then I moved my stop to break even. I got stopped out at break even. I shouldn't have touched it. And then price dumped in my favor. So that was the first trade. It was a good trade. And it was within the macro. Yep. It was within the last 10 minutes after the macro. And then since London, I really believed London and Asia high to get taken today. We had a lot of liquidity up here. I wanted to find a entry for that, and so later in the day, I saw this. I saw us moving up here. I saw us get a change in state of delivery. When we closed above this last swing high right here, and we had a 15-minute fair value gap over here that got inversed right there. All right, let me delete some of these. So there's the change in the state. Change in the state right there. Get rid of this. Okay, so then inverse fair value gap, change in state of delivery. I wanted to see a retrace back into that range as usual. Drop down to the 5-minute. That's when we got the retrace into the range right here. That's where I entered. I entered on this wick coming down into it. Came up a little bit, came down lower, got close to my stop, but I was very confident in this. And then, yeah, from there, London and Asian high got hit. And my final take profit was at London high. Had it at Asian high at first, but I moved it to London high. So that got hit real nicely. Like, probably the most perfect trade I could have found in the afternoon. And yeah, I could have passed the account, obviously, if I held, but I had no reason to hold higher. It was not within my reasoning for price to even go higher, so why would I do that? So that's where we're up $1,000 on the day, or 991. So I'm back to 52,000. I'll show you guys this big loss right here. Boom, $1,900 lost by accident, and we just recovered it. So from here, I'm really focused on passing the account. Now I got to really lock in this week. Should be a good week for trading. NFP week though, so you got to be careful. And yeah, so high time frame bias. High time frame bias. I want to see the week kind of turn out a little bit bullish. We have new week opening gaps up above. It's very imbalanced price range on the daily chart. All of this, I kind of want us to see. I kind of want to see us get up into this new week opening gap up here, along with the previous day high and the equal highs up here. So that would look something like, over the next couple of days, just kind of like that. And then I do think we'll continue lower, just the season in the market, tariffs and all that. So that's kind of what I want to see over the next couple of days. So I'm gonna have a modest bullish bias. Obviously, we could just keep checking lower, which we might, but I kind of want to see us go a little bit higher. So we'll see how today closes and if that sets us up for tomorrow. Ideally, if we close above this daily fair value gap or 4-hour fair value gap that I have marked out right here, which on the day is nothing. If we close below this 4-hour fair value gap, which is looking like we might, that would give me some sort of bias for tomorrow to kind of, go higher, go lower, back into it, and go higher. So just kind of like to these macro things, and the macro also pushed the price higher on my trade. But yeah, so that's that. And looking forward to that. So we'll see what we get tomorrow. I'm not going to be posting as much. Posting every day seems a little unnecessary. I'm just going to post the main things that happen. Like if I take a big loss, I will make a video on that. Or if I take a big win like today, I'll make a video on it. So yeah, see what we get tomorrow.